Alright, your next tutorial video, probably one of the toughest concepts that we have in Math 8, that's solving with collecting like terms. So here's my formula: 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 2 times x plus 5. Distributive property, collecting like terms, equal sign, we have to solve. It's like all these concepts in one. So the first thing you always want to do is do the distributive property. So even though there's no number in front of the x, we multiply, there's a 1 there, so we multiply the outside number to both numbers on the inside of the bracket, keep our signs consistent, do the same on the other side of the equal sign. 3x minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 10. Remember to multiply the outside number by the second number. Sometimes people forget to do that. What I like to think is the equal sign is like a barrier. And if I have to get across the barrier, I have to do the opposite of what's happening. So I have to collect my like terms now. So it's a positive 2x. I have to go across the barrier to collect my like terms. I have to minus the 2x. What I notice is that on the right side, when I go 2x minus 2x, that x cancels out. I have 0x on that side. That is the goal. 3x minus 2x gives me 1x. Just rewrite the rest of the formula. Minus 6 is equal to, again, 2x minus 2x gives me 0. I don't have to write that down. Is equal to positive 10. I want the variables on one side. I want naked numbers, or numbers with no variables, on the other. There is my equal sign. There is my barrier. I have to do the opposite, so I need to add 6 on both sides. 1x plus 6, sorry, I should say minus 6. Notice that when I'm going minus 6 plus 6, I get 0. Therefore, I get 1x is equal to 16. All right? Lots of little steps there. We'll try with another example. So here we go. Let's try 4 bracket x plus 3 end bracket is equal to 3 bracket x minus 2. All right? Do the distributive property first. That's the first step. So I multiply the outside number times both numbers on the inside. 4 times x gives me 4x. 4 times positive 3 gives me 12. Equals to 3 times x gives me 3x. 3 times negative 2 gives me negative 6. Recognize the equal sign. It's like a barrier. I need to collect my like terms by moving things across the equal sign. I want to move the 3x over. I have to do the opposite to get across the barrier. So I go minus 3x. Do that on both sides of the equal sign. Again, notice that the 3x on the right minus 3x gives me 0x. That's what I want. That is my goal. 4x minus 3x gives me x plus 12. Just rewrite the rest of the formula. 0, don't need to write. Minus 6. Want to move the 12 over because I want to have letters on one side, numbers on the other. Minus the 12 on both sides to get across the equal sign. X is then equal to negative 18. Negative 6 minus 12. Really important to keep our signs straight. Finally, make it a really tough one here. 5 bracket x minus 2 equals to 4 bracket x, let me think here, plus 5. Alright, so try this one on your own. Remember, do the distributive property first, try to move things across the equal sign, and we'll do it together in a moment. I am Mr. J. I'd say my favorite hockey team would probably be the Vancouver Canucks. If you need to pause the video, pause it now, because we're going to do a spoiler alert. Alright, here we go. Distributive property first. 5x minus 10, because I'm multiplying the outside number to the second number, is equal to 4x plus 20. Alright, now I need to move the x's together. I need to collect my like terms across an equal sign. This time I need to move things, or sorry, do the opposite of what I need to do in order to get it across the barrier of the equal sign. Okay? So hopefully you got that first step down. Let's do the second step now together. So I'm going to minus the 4x on either side. Rewrite the formula. So x minus 10. 4x minus 4x is 0. Don't need to write that down. Is equal to then for 20. Okay? What do you think we do next? Want to move the numbers on the other side, got to do the opposite to get over the barrier of the equal sign. Plus 10 therefore, don't need to write the 0. X is equal to 20 plus 10, which is 30. This is the toughest part of test 7. If you need to watch the video again, please do. Good luck.